Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching us from. This is Magoba Local Poultry Farm, dealers in local chicken, our indigenous chicken. Yeah, like you see, these are our parent stock that we are preparing to lay eggs, to breed, and expand our farm. Like you can see them, today they have made 4 months, and within a short period of time we shall introduce cocks to them, and they shall be ready to start laying eggs. As you can see, we are trying our best to keep the poultry house clean, neat, to avoid the outbreak of